thought this might be the easiest way to walk you through the output. It looks different than the SPSS when I convert it to PDF. So that's so hopefully this will make sense. So this page 2 kind of starts the output for mortality within 30 days. So you can see that the yes, no is if there was a mortality. ICU stay, of course, is the continuous variable. So for this test, each of these are different t-tests. For the ICU test, there were 4 people who experienced yes, a mortality within 30 days and 42 who didn't. For those who yes experienced a mortality, their mean ICU stay was 7.7 days. And then for those who did not, those 42, their mean was 4.4, and this is the standard deviation for them. Okay, so then the second half of that table is just the standard error of the mean. We don't really need that. So the next table is divided, I think, across 3 pages, which is very annoying. But the independent, so this is the table where we're going to get our p-value from. So these first 2 columns are just it's the Levine's test for equality of variance. It's a test of an assumption. If it's statistically significant, we have to interpret this line, but all of these are statistically significant, so we're good to go. So if it's easier, just ignore everything I just said. This is the t statistic, but this page does not show us the p-value. We have to go to the next page to show us the p-value. So ICU stay, we see that it is, because here's the test of equality, here's the significance. And we're going to do the 2-sided p-value, that's what that's short for. And because we know we met equality of variance, we're going to interpret the top one. So ICU stay is statistically significant. And that's all this tells us, is that yes, it is statistically significant. The direction of effect, or if yes or no is bigger, we have to go back up to the first table and look at those means. So we know that this observed difference between these 2 means is statistically significant. And so you can apply kind of that pattern of how to interpret the data across all of these. I hope that makes sense and is a better explanation.